student, today we are going to see English of Standard 5th from Term 2. The unit name is Sports. In this unit, we are going to see the lesson, the strength in his weakness. Let us see the positive attitude of the boy Agilan. Come, let us move to the video session.
Unit 2 Sports. Sports has the power to change the world. Related to sports, let us see the lesson. Let us see the small Pictionary related to this unit. Judo. A sports where one try to unbalance the opponent by using arms and legs. Archer. A person who shoots with bow and arrow. God. A large vegetable with hard skin. Audience. People who come together to watch something. Victory. Winning an opponent. The lesson name. The strength in his weakness. Agilan was an active and energetic boy. He liked sports as much as studies. They were like a ice. So he chose the sports as a passion. So he spent most of the evenings in the playground. He also remembered his father's word. Learn well and live well. So Agilan used to spend his mornings for studying and evening for sports. His physical education teacher, that is PT teacher, was an inspiration for Agilan. The teacher was good at judo. Judo means it is a fighting with arms and leg. It is a play for them. His passion for learning judo grew every day. He was afraid that his interest in judo could upset his parents. Finally, one day, Agilan told his parents about his passion for judo and also showed the medals he won in sports. So parents was very much excited that he was very much excited in sport. So let us see how he is going to win everything. After a few months, in an accident, Agilan lost his hand. That is, he lost his left hand. That day onwards, he did not go out of the house because he did not have his left hand. So he used to sit in the corner as a own. His parents were very keen to fulfill his son's passion. The passion of Agilan is sports, that is judo. His father showed an advertisement which is there in the newspaper about judo school. Agilan saw the advertisement and studied the advertisement. He asked his father to join in the judo school. His father, with tears of joy, got him and admitted in the school. He got full of joy, so he admitted the Agilan in the judo school. Agilan was very excited on his first day, that is in judo school. His master was the best judo teacher in the town. In the same town, he was the best teacher in judo. His master trained him the basic before teaching the advanced skill. Everyone wondered how the boy with a single arm, that is, one hand, he could master. Agilan learnt and practiced constantly for 2 years. He practiced only a single stroke for 2 years. Agilan was surprised and annoyed as his master taught him only one stroke, but soon he mastered the stroke. Can you discuss what can be the reason for the master to teach the boy only one stroke. No one could excel in that stroke except Aguilin. That everyone was surprised. Aguilin was picked by the master for national judo competition. Everyone surprised that Aguilin and his master were not sure how the boy with only one hand he could fight for the national competition. Aguilin easily defeated all his six contenders with a single stroke. Aguilin reached the final. Aguilin's heart was beating fast and he could not believe that he was in the final match, that is, national judo competition. The final match began and it has totally 6 rounds. The opponents were be very strong and defeated the Aguilin easily in the first 2 rounds. The referee blew his whistle. Then Aguilin master, that is judo master, rushed to him and said, "Believe yourself." The Aguilin master gave a keyword, that is, believe yourself. The key to success is to focus on your strength, not the weakness. You should focus only on your strength. It's not a weakness. Aguilin felt some new energy rushing through him. He did not want to lose his match. So, Aguilin understood the hidden hint given by his master. He has to focus on a single stroke, not the strength of the opponent. Aguilin, with a single stroke, he bam everybody with the 4 strokes and 4 knockouts. Knockouts mean with a single stroke he knocks everybody. Aguilin had won the finals. He was the champion of the judo national level competition. Aguilin thanks his master for training and believing in himself. We have to believe in ourselves. Whenever we have a weakness, we should not focus on the weakness. We have to focus only our strength. Soon, Aguilin's curiosity took over and he asked, "How did I win the competition?" With a single stroke. His master told him, "My dear, you have learned the most difficult stroke in judo. That was a very few master can practice. If your opponent wants to beat you, that should hold your left hand. This is the secret behind your victory." So always think that we should not focus on a weakness, we have to focus in our strength. Aguilin thanked one more time for the master. The parents were very much excited to see Aguilin and his passion about the sports that he won the national level competition judo. Let us see some glossary related to this lesson. Passion, strong emotion, inspiration, mentally stimulated to do something creative, wondered, to think with a feeling of surprise, excel, especially good, ridiculed, teased. I hope you all understood about the story, the strength in his weakness, and the boy about Aguilin. So we must always think on the strength, we should not think about the weakness. Thank you, students.